In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your daily schedule using ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple yet effective strategy for staying on top of your tasks and improving productivity using this AI tool. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open ChatGPT. It's easy. Just head to chat.openai.com on your desktop or through your preferred browser. You'll be prompted to log in, and once you've done so, you're ready to start a new chat. This will be your interactive space to generate your tasks and plans. Once you're set up and ready to chat, it's time to ask ChatGPT to create tasks for you. For instance, if you want to maintain productivity throughout the day, you might ask, "Make me a simple daily routine with 5 tasks to stay productive." Or if you're learning something new, say Excel basics, you could request, "Create a weekly study plan for learning Excel basics, with tasks for each day." By asking these types of questions, you can streamline your workload and enhance your learning processes. After ChatGPT has crafted your task list, the next thing to do is to copy or save these tasks. Highlight the tasks that ChatGPT has generated and copy them onto your clipboard. Then, choose a tool that fits best with your work style to keep your tasks organized. This could be your Notes app if you like to keep things simple, Google Tasks for a more structured approach, Trello if you're into the Kanban board style, or even your calendar for time blocking your schedule. This step ensures that you have a clear and accessible place to more efficiently manage your priorities. Now, let's make sure you stay on top of these tasks by using ChatGPT for task reminders. While this requires some manual check-ins, it can be highly effective. You could set up a morning routine by asking ChatGPT, "Every morning when I log in, remind me of my top 3 priorities for the day." At the end of the day, check in again and ask, "Did I finish my tasks today?" ChatGPT can then suggest improvements or adjustments for your next day's plan, keeping your progress in check and continuously improving your routine. And there you have it, a straightforward method to leverage AI for staying productive and structured. By following these steps, you're not just organizing tasks, but also setting the stage for intentional, rewarding accomplishment every day. Remember to log in regularly and engage with your AI assistant to keep refining your plan and achieving your goals. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!